In a previous video, we've already discussed operator use and. In our video this time, I will explain operator use OR. The OR operator will reader true if one of the operands is true only returns if both operands are false. We can look at this table. A value is true. B value is true. For A or B has Sonia true. According to this statement, the Abernali false. B is true. Has Sonia A or B? That is true. Then A is true. B is false. For A or B. Worth. True. Then a false value. B is false value. Then A or B is value. False. So in conclusio. When one component or one of the variables value true, then the result true. When both false, then the result is false. Okay, let's just try it out. Our program yes. Well, I have made this variable A. These are two variables first. Variable A is true. Variable B is true. This we change to or B. Like this. Then try to RU. Don't forget to save it first with pressing Ctrl+S. OK, we RU. Of terminal. The result is true. Because one of this variable is true. Yeah. Both of these coincidences are true. Yes, definitely, the result is true. Then we change. For example, be false. Like I said earlier, one of the variables is true. Then the result, true. Well, try to RU. Well, the result remains true. One of the variables is true. Then try to replace. Variable A is false. Variable B is also false. Surely the result is false, because both are false. The result is false. Okay, now let's add one more variable. We say variable C. Let's make it true. Like I said, 1. Variable is true. Then the result must be true. Do not forget to press Ctrl+C. Okay, let's see the results. Well, the result is true. One of these variables is true. The variable C, yes. But if everything is false, then the result false. Yeah, this is like this. All variables are false. Then the result false. Let's see. Well, like that. This is my explanation first. Logic OR of Python. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful.